Okay, Bob and Tammy, tell us a little bit about what you experienced here.
11 o'clock Wednesday night. I heard wind blow. I raised up in my chair there and the power. Something hit my window, blew my window out. And I went through the house to look to see if I couldn't see much damage until I came out on the back porch. Once I came out on the back porch, my garage was gone, my roof was gone, siding's gone, my neighbors is gone. My neighbors across the street, which is Tammy's here, got trees down. Tammy, you tell them what you
and got the word from Bob. They called and let us know what had happened, and all I had was pictures coming to me, digital images of the house, and it just
So you were in San Antonio at the time?
Yes, we were down, and we hit the road and headed home, and got home late last night. So we're in the we don't have power because our main pole is down next to the house, so they've got to have something to run the power too. So we're working on that now.
Well, that tree, that big tree in the back there, man.
Yeah, and that's our wedding tree. We were married under that tree, and it's sad to see it go.
Now, is it salvageable? I mean, is it going to make it, or do they know?
Probably not. We're going to try. We're going to leave enough of it to see if it will come back. But
so how many years have you been married?
11 years. It'll be 12 this year.
12 years. Bob, what did you hear?
Actually, I just heard the wind start blowing. That was it.
And then all of a sudden you heard a noise like a
Something hit my window there.
debris or something, probably.
Really broke the window out. That's what it really.
And you came out here and found this mess.
All this is gone. You bet.
Wow. I guess you have to look for blessings in the midst of it. You're alive. Yeah.
Yes, I mean, we weren't here obviously, but we saw videos and everything. People just right up here that were sitting in the house in the tub, and you know, the young couple with the 2 boys, they survived. So
So there's a house up here totally gone up here.
The whole roof came off the top. So and they survived it without issue. So God was watching over them for sure.
Yeah. How many years you lived here, Bob?
50 years.
50 years. Have you ever had anything like this?
Not this bad, no. The storms come through,
yeah. Wow.
We were going to come home and open the pool on this long weekend. Now, we're not going to get around to that, I don't think, today.
These family, friends, or?
Friends and family, yes.
Taking care of you.
Family, friends, family.
I know this gentleman here.
You know him?
Oh, yeah.
You met him before?
Few times. I've taken his picture a few times. Kind of a celebrity at Elton High School, you know.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, at least it wasn't. That's good.
Well, you can see where that pole just, at least it didn't, I guess it could have been worse, but it just laid right on your building, didn't it?
Yep. Tree and all, tree and pole.